Good morning, student of class 7. I am your computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. And our first term examination is already over, and I hope that all of you have performed well in the first term examination. So today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 5, spreadsheet and introduction. Okay, chapter number 5, spreadsheet and introduction. Here you can see the content of this chapter. First is spreadsheet, second is component of Microsoft Excel 2010. Okay, today I am going to discuss only first two topics in this video, spreadsheet and components of Microsoft Excel 2010. Okay, so move on to the topic. First of all, we need to know what is a spreadsheet. Mainly spreadsheet is a database software. Okay, so a spreadsheet is an electronic document representing a table consisting of horizontal rows and vertical columns. A spreadsheet provides more flexibility, speed, and accuracy in comparison to the expense calculation sheet maintained manually. That means हम लोगों को जब भी कोई भी ह्यूज डेटाबेस को हम लोगों को करना होगा तो हम लोग किस में करेंगे, स्प्रेडशीट सॉफ्टवेयर में करेंगे, एक्सेल में करेंगे. ओके, वहाँ पे एक्यूरेसी ज़्यादा होता है, बहुत ही फ्लेक्सिबल है, स्पीड है, वहाँ पे हम लोग आसानी से कोई भी कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हैं. ओके, विथ यूजिंग ए फार्मूला. Okay, so for example, if you change the number in spreadsheet, you have to do perform calculation again. The spreadsheet does not wait for you. Spreadsheet is instantly update if one of the entries is changed. This is unlikely to happen when you do the calculation manually. That means हम लोग अगर कोई कहीं पे भी अगर कोई भी एक नंबर चेंज करेंगे तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर वो क्या करेगा, जो एक्सेल सीट है वो ऑटोमेटिकली कैलकुलेशन करके कर देगा. ओके, हम लोग को अलग से कुछ भी करना ज़रूरत नहीं है अगर वो फार्मूला वहाँ पे दिया गया है तो. ओके, हम लोग अगर फार्मूले से करेंगे तो ही ये होगा. Next is applications of spreadsheet software, including maintaining household expenditure, student records, preparing salaries, creating bills, representing data graphically, maintain inventory. Okay, so these are the few things we can easily do by using this spreadsheet software. Next is spreadsheet software from the different vendors is available in the market. Like Microsoft Excel is the most commonly known spreadsheet software. It is a part of a Microsoft suite and runs on Microsoft Windows operating system. Next is Lotus 123 was the leading software for DOS operating system. OpenOffice org, Cal, okay, Quarter Pro, and commonly used open source spreadsheet software. And Google Sheet is also an example of spreadsheet software. The next thing is Microsoft Excel, including tools for analyzing, managing, and sharing information, which help during the decision-making process. Any spreadsheet in Excel may contain charts, text, and other objects. Some of the tasks Excel allows to do are as follows: organizing data in rows and column. हम लोग कहीं पे भी कोई भी डेटा को हम लोग rows and column के जरिए organize कर सकते हैं. Okay. Perform calculation faster with more accuracy. Define formula to perform calculation automatically. Change font colors, font style of a data. Filter sort as per requirement. Design chart with 3D effects and shadowing. Okay, so these are the few things we can easily do in our Excel sheet. Okay, move on to next. And here you can see the different types of components of a Excel window. Okay, different types of component Excel window. Today I am going to discuss all these components in this video. First is file tab, icon, name box, select all buttons, cell pointer, sheet tab, horizontal scroll bar, view button, zoom control, vertical scroll bar, quick access toolbar, tabs, title bar, groups. All are the this is called components of Microsoft Excel 2010 window. Okay, so now discuss one by one. First is worksheet. Okay, first is worksheet. Worksheet is a grid of a vertical columns and horizontal. जहाँ पे हम लोग काम करेंगे उसको हम लोग worksheet बोलेंगे, जहाँ पे हम लोग करेंगे. Okay, a cell is where a row and column intersect. दैट मीन जहाँ पे जो सेल किसको बोलेंगे, इंटरसेक्शन बिटवीन सेल एंड ए कॉलम. ओके, वर्कशीट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एन एरी ऑफ ए सेल. वर्कशीट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एन एरी ऑफ सेल. Worksheet, a worksheet contains data in a cell is also a text that labels the data. Excel contains Excel worksheet contains um, 16,384 columns and um, 10 lakh 48,000 rows. Okay, so next is workbook. Workbook is a collection of multiple worksheet stored under a single फाइल नेम. दैट मीन्स हम लोग जब भी एक्सेल पे काम करेंगे नीचे दिखाई देगा, यार यू कैन सी sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Okay, so all these three is called a workbook. Okay, all these three is called a workbook. Each new workbook created in Excel has 3 worksheets by default, but you can add more worksheet. Next is title bar. Title bar is represent top of the window. It shows the default name of a worksheet, which is book 1. Here you can see book 1. Okay. Next is sheet tab. Sheet tab is located at the left hand side button of a workbook. It displays the name of a worksheet. Okay, next is row. It is a horizontal space across the window on a worksheet. Each row has a row header identified by number 1, 2, 3, and the rows are number string starting from 1 to 10,48,567 Okay. Next component is column. Column is a vertical space up and down of a worksheet. Each column has a column header identified by letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Last is X, F, D. Okay, there are 16,384 columns. Next is cell. Cell is the most basic unit of a worksheet. It is the space between where a row and a column inserted. A cell is named with a column letter first and followed by the row number. It is known as its cell address. For example, A1, A2, B1, B3. Okay, so these are the mainly cell address. Okay, next is active cell. एक्टिव सेल इज द सेल विद द डार्क बॉर्डर आउटलाइन. जब भी हम लोग कोई भी सेल के ऊपर काम करेंगे उसको हम लोग एक्टिव सेल बोलेंगे. ओके, a cell pointer is a quick thick black boundary that surrounded in the active cell. Data is always entered into the active cell. Next is range of a cell. Range of a cell refers to a group of cells adjusting to each other, forming a rectangular space. That means हम लोग अगर जब भी हम लोग एक्सेल वर्कशीट पे हम लोग जब भी कोई भी काम करेंगे तब हम लोग कोई भी ग्रुप ऑफ सेल्स को अगर लेंगे तो उसको हम लोग रेंज ऑफ सेल्स बोलेंगे. Next is select all. Button is top of the left corner of the worksheet of row header and column header meet. Okay. Next is important thing is formula bar. Okay. Next is formula bar. Formula bar is located on the base of the ribbon. It displays the contents of the active cell and it is also used to enter and edit both data and formula. Here you can see the formula bar. Here you can see the formula bar is here fx and this is the formula bar. Okay, this is the formula bar. When we write something on a any cell, it shows here in the formula bar. It shows from the formula bar. Next is dialog box. Sorry, name box. Name box displays the name of the active cell in a worksheet. Next is dialog box launcher. Open dialog box to of a task pane on being clicked. Next important thing is sheet navigation. Okay, sheet navigation is located on to the left of the sheet tab. It helps to navigate between the multiple worksheet. This features is active only if you work with a large number of worksheet. अगर हम लोग एक्सेल में काम कर रहे हैं और वहाँ पे अगर 3 सीट है तो फिर हम लोग एक सीट से दूसरे सीट हम लोग जा सकते हैं. ओके, अगर हम लोगों ने बहुत सारा सीट एक साथ ले लिया तब भी हम लोग इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, क्लिक ऑन द फॉरवर्ड बटन और प्रीवियस बटन. वी कैन easily move on to the first seat, second seat, third seat or last seat, previous seat. Okay, next is View buttons. View buttons present different views of a worksheet. There are three types of views: normal, page layout, and page break view. Preview. Okay. Next is zoom control. Zoom control helps to magnify and reduce the worksheet view as per requirement by dragging the slider on editor either side. Okay, that means zoom view zoom हम लोग किस लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उस कोई भी चीज़ को अच्छी तरह से देखने के लिए, एडजस्ट करने के लिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज important thing is file tab. Okay, next important thing is file tab. File tab is at the top of the corner. Clicking on the display drop down menu having options such as new, open, save, save as, print, save, send, info, recent, help, option, exit. Here you can see the file tab menu: open, save as, okay, save, print. The options are used to perform operation on the file workbook, like create a new workbook, open an existing workbook, save an workbook, print an workbook. Okay, next thing is quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is at the top of the left on the page. It allows the shortcut for the commonly used command like save, open, redo, undo, etc. Okay, next thing is ribbon. Ribbon is mainly a group of a toolbar. Okay, ribbon is mainly a group of a toolbar. First is tabs. Okay, tabs are the specific tasks. There are 8 tabs, mainly: home tab, insert tab, page layout, formula, data, preview, view, and team. The tabs are self-explanatory. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंसर्ट ए चार्ट, टेबल, सो ऑन. दैट मीन्स हम लोग को कब अगर जब भी हम लोग को इंसर्ट करना है, हम लोग इंसर्ट टैब में जाएंगे. कोई भी चीज़ को व्यू करना है तो हम लोग व्यू टैब में जाएंगे. कोई भी फार्मूला लिखना है तो हम लोग फार्मूला टैब में जाएंगे. ओके, next is groups. Groups within each tabs are subtasks for the tab. For example, the home tab has 7 groups, namely clipboard, font, alignment, number, style, cell, editing. Next is command button. In each group of carry out commands or display a menu of commands. Next important thing is scroll bar. Okay, scroll bar helps us to scroll the content body of a worksheet. हम लोग आसानी से scroll करके ऊपर से नीचे तक जा सकते हैं. There are two scroll bar: horizontal bar and vertical bar. Scrolling is done by moving the elevator button along with the scroll bar, and by clicking on the button with the arrow marked on them and move up, down, right, left, and on the worksheet. Here you can see the picture. Here you can see this is the scroll bar. Okay, this is the scroll bar. This is the scroll bar. We can easily move the worksheet up and down, right or left. Okay, by using this. So these are the components of Microsoft Excel 2010 window. I hope that all of you understand, and all of you have to read very carefully, okay, to understand the topic. Read very carefully to understand the topic. In my next video I will continue the chapter and discuss the basic operation in Microsoft Excel. So till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.